Hello, I'm Dr. Tiffany Anderson, the Superintendent of Topeka Public Schools, here just to say thank you. Thank you to Advisors Excel for all that you've done for our students, for our staff, for our families, for our community. You know, it really takes a village to raise a child, and while that may sound like a cliche, Advisors Excel has been our village.
And I just wanted to take just a few minutes to express my sincere appreciation for everything that each and every one of you do for Topeka Public Schools. You are extremely generous when it comes to funding or volunteering your hours to support our students and staff at Topeka Public Schools, and you have no idea how much we appreciate that.
Thank you for the shoes and coats for our youngest learners.
Hey A&E, thank you for the college basket that helped me start my college experience.
Thank you for mentoring students across Topeka.
Thank you for providing beds for our children. Because of you, they come to us rested and ready to learn.
Thank you for your support for the Adapted PE program and all the kids with special needs.
Thank you for inspiring our students to become leaders through the AE Real World experience, and thank you so much for the late night meals for staff.
Thank you for teaching financial literacy to our students for their future.
Thank you for the buses for field trips that have exposed our students to places beyond their neighborhood.
Thank you for the supplies and support for students like me.
Thank you for bringing field trips like the animals to our preschoolers.
Thank you for the season of sharing.
For our most needy students and families, thank you.
The pantry has fed countless families thanks to you.
You have made a difference in so many people's lives. I can't even explain to you how important that has been and how beneficial that has been for our students, our parents, their families, in the way that you have supported them in all the various ways that Advisors Excel does.
You see, in order to really make an impact on people and to love on others, you have to have service above self. Thank you for serving others as a hallmark for who Advisors Excel is. You have shown love in action in so many ways. And it's a debt that we can never repay, but we want to take this moment to say from our heart in Topeka to yours, we thank you, we love you, and because of you, even while in a pandemic and facing challenge, we have continued to engage, prepare, and inspire others for a lifetime of learning.